All right. Still
Mm, 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 mm.
sleepy.
Yeah, man. All right. We'll see what we can catch here today. We'll see what we can catch here today. Mm,
Yeah, I feel like FOMC is priced in.
yeah, feel so as well. I think.
We're
I
not
think.
get
Yeah.
we're not getting anything on FOMC.
I mean, maybe, maybe. We won't know for sure. Okay, yeah. So some analysis here. 15 just closed. For the most part, the break of this low here will be a entry. Let's just go on the daily, by the way. So remember we were speaking about this shit yesterday, right? Based on the daily time frame. Now, on the daily here, we broke where we closed on under this range here, right? We came up, we test this area here, and we're coming down. So we're more or less in that downtrend, right? So for the most part, I personally don't think we're going to close above, like price going to come all the way up here. So basically, we should only be looking for sales, right? Today. So we have the 15 here, support. Um, we can take sales here if the market holds above it. We also have this level here on the 15, the last structure that was broken. Price could come into this level and then continue to the downside. Right. Yeah, and then we have this level here, this level here. Yep, couple levels actually, because yeah, let's see something here. Okay, so that would be the next low here, the daily low, which the previous daily low, which I don't think we're gonna tap into. This is 729. Okay, so that's the previous daily low there. So we want to get in before that. We don't want to get in before that. So if we get somewhat of, I think this level here would be ideal if we break this one beforehand. Yeah. Yep. Yep. I think these are the levels we're looking at here today. These are our levels here for, ooh, we actually do have this little level here price could come into as well. So what we want to see is price come into either one of these levels here to continue bearish, right? Um, I'm not like, yeah, we could continue moving all the way to the upside here. Um, we could continue moving, breaking all the shit and continuing up, sure. But as of this moment, I think we can catch some. I'm looking at sales. I'm looking at sales. This could be the end of the drop, but I'm looking for sales. We could probably take buys above here, above. Ooh, wow, that's 25,000. Okay, tricky area to take sales from, but and buys from, sorry. But 25,000, yeah, we could take buys from here, well above all the last structures here. That makes sense. Not down here. Down here seems a bit too dangerous to take buys from. Um, don't want to be catching a falling knife. So yeah, once we tap into one of these levels here and then flip bearish, then okay, we're good to go. But since all this movement already happened, I'm not sure if we're gonna even get that much volume. All right, so we gotta be careful here today. So buys above here. Remember these levels here. I guess we could just use this here, huh? Because this tap into that same thing here. So maybe this level. Oh, yeah, this level went all the way back here too. So this is not a bad level here for buys. Right? From here we price continue moving up. So hopefully it continues to do that again if it decides to go up. Right? So all right. So for sales we have the current lows here. Again, I'm using 30-point stops. Even today, maybe today deserve like a 25-point stop. Maybe this is our target here today. 729. That's my target here today. Yep. 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 All right. Let's look at YM. Okay. So YM is like the same shit here. YM is like the same shit here. So I break up these highs here for buys. No need to take it before. Break up these highs here. Sales on the other hand. Okay, let's just watch out the daily here and see something. So it's approaching its daily low already. So we may have to use the next low. Yeah, let's look at that shit. That shit is a easy like break retest. Now we're coming down, right? Simple. Um, we can target the previous daily closure. Yeah. We're just looking at the daily time frame just for to put certain things into perspective here. So this low will definitely get broken and we will have to wait for a retest of this zone here. Definitely. This only makes sense. This only makes sense. Right? And then we continue to the next potential target on here. For retest zones now, based on the 15, we can retest this zone here potentially and then continue moving down. Yeah, we could retest this zone here and continue moving down. Yeah. Anyway on the 300, yeah, anyway on the 300, I'm not interested in taking any buys. I'm taking it easy today. Taking it easy today. It's pre FOMC. It seems like certain the news has already been factored in, probably possibly. So gotta be careful here today. So sales below 47,000 here. hmm Again, 30-point stop look like it's tiny as shit. So let's just be. Let me mark this level here.
Tiny as shit.
Yeah, you look how small it looks, bro. It looks small as shit,
Yep.
man. 30 points look tiny here, man. All right, so this is what we got here, guys. So all these levels here, these are retest levels. This is where you're taking buys from potentially. Well, where I'm taking buys from potentially. Yeah, that's it there. That's it there. That's it there.
All right, let's see. Let's see the chop of the market. Let's see the choppest of the market by FOMC.
At the moment, I just need like how much I need here? 1100. Let's just do this. Awesome. All right. Mm, 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 mm,
Risk management today.
Oh yeah, gotta be on point today.
Discipline. If you're
Got,
in a position, even profit stops to break even is important.
yep, stops to break even 1 to 1.
Yeah,
Yeah, or just secure it 1 to 1. I
yeah.
mean, especially if you're trying to get like a winning day, you already have
Yeah.
profits or something. Just secure one to
No
one.
need to go for
Yep.
5K freaking day.
Yeah. Today's not that day.
Yeah.
Today is not that
We're
day.
gonna range so much this
Yeah.
month.
After that big move, yeah. After we had that big move, we're gonna be ranging a lot, right up to FOMC. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I could get not even sure which may be the best move here today. All right, guys, 30 seconds remaining. So once we get that wick up, we can anticipate some good movement here. Let's see. Yeah, look at that open. That open is so slow. Okay, there is a wick up.
Thank you is glitching.
Yep, I can see that.
Man,
I can see that. I think it's only doing it on top step
lose it.
actually.
No,
Lucid.
I'm
Yeah.
on.
No, it happening on top step as well.
Uh,
Yeah, it happening on top step as well.
yes.
You notice the big gap on Lucid as well, right?
Yeah,
On NQ, yeah. All right. So we potentially having a flip here. Um, yeah, we could potentially having a flip here on YM. Again, like I always say, YM always saves the day. So I may take a sell on the immediate break, like a double break of these lows here. Let's see here. Man, these stops are so small. Like, yeah. I mean, this is a nice flip though. Could enter out here, but I want to be patient here today. I want to be very patient here today. I want to be very patient here today. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so NQ is breaking the previous low here. Yeah, this one is you want to be careful here today, guys. You really want to be careful here
yeah.
today.
Because
Um,
it went up, the YM, it went
yeah,
up, it went down, and now it's going up again.
yeah. Again, that zone, right? See that zone we marked out? Notice what happening here, even for NQ. Notice the zones, right? Understand why these zones are, it's rejecting those zones. Now, if it break above the zone here, yes, it could move up here and it could potentially catch a trade in this little move here. This is 86 points, but just too risky, man. Just too risky. May just ultimately just wait for that first 5 minute closure and then take a trade. Oh, so after the 20. Mm, mm, mm.
Yeah, if this YM candle goes like this, first 5 minutes,
Yeah, if it close
maybe I
above that,
up
yeah, if
again.
it closes above that range, then all well and good, all well and good. We could continue, possibly continue up, but it's a big range to cross. It's a big range to cross.
Yeah,
That's like a 25-point range. Yeah, look at that, guys. It's yeah, we anticipated this, right? We anticipated this shit. Yo, Sauce, what's up, man? Sorry for the late response. Sorry for my manners here today. Didn't tell you guys good morning. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, today one of those days, man. I may not even take
yeah,
anything here, if I'm being honest. May not even take anything here. The only thing to do here is to wait for the the 15 closure. A little volume may come in at that point, but that's about it. Can't expect much. Can't expect much. I haven't even watched that goal, man. I want that goal is doing. Let's see what goal is doing here. Yeah, so I don't like that closure. I don't like that closure. I don't like
We're,
it.
oh my god, we're lagging.
Mm.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, lucid be like that sometimes. So. Yeah, I mean, gold has a level whereby, yeah, but too too risky, too risky. I mean, break out those highs, break up a 15 high actually. Yeah, on gold. Mm, 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 mm. Whoa, that's a stop loss? Wait, am I reading that right? Is the stops on gold that big right now? Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I'm sort of leaning towards I'm sort of leaning towards YM more than NQ, although NQ looks a lot better. But yeah. Mm, I mean actually if I'm to take buys here, I mean actually take it at the break of these highs here instead. Maybe on the break of these highs here instead. Maybe 25 points away from my initial entry. 30 points away from my initial entry. Okay, we're moving up a little bit here on NQ. Mm, mm. A very slow day, guys. Very slow day. Very
Oh,
slow day.
we had a PPI.
There, there was a PPI.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, that was the reason for the move. Oh, that was the reason for the move. Nah, I missed that news one there. That was the reason for the move.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, more reason why it won't be moving anytime soon. Yeah. Um, I think I may call it here, guys, if I'm being honest. Um, yeah. I'm doing like 200 from London on my phone here. Okay, okay. Seems like some volume is stepping in here. Yeah, it seems like some volume stepping in here
We're on gold.
on NQ. It's picked up the pace a little bit. Yeah, it's picked up the pace a little bit. Mm. Okay, next closure here. So for the most part, yeah, I'm not feeling this NQ buys here though. Why moved up, no bottom wick, so we could potentially tap into this low here on YM and drop. Yeah,
Or just drop down.
yeah, I'll just drop now. Yeah, hey man, today just one of those days, man. Today just one of those days.
Hmm. If this move happened on NYSE, I'll be very happy.
Okay, so this is NQ about to break that level there. Mm, 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 mm. This will be the 15-minute closure as well, so we'll see, we'll see, we will see. I'm liking this zone up here more though. By the way, since market open, this has been how much has been have we moved here since market open? We've moved 50 points since market open. So keeping that in mind. Keeping that in mind. Okay, there's a move on YM here. This is it. This is it. Reject this shit. Let's fall. Reject this shit. Let's fall. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna yeah, buys from up here from 34, 25,034. I think buys up there better for NQ. This area here is a little iffy. Today is not the day to be rushing into a trade here. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, the stream maybe I may end the stream soon to be honest. Cause we got no action here, man. No action. I don't wanna bore you guys, okay? Okay, this is a nice flip here. Break up the lows here. Could get in, possibly. 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 Wake up and I break up the low. It could be an entry. Could be an entry. This is so this is the first. Let's see if it breaks the previous candle low here as well. This is important. Okay, there it is. There it is. First candle on the after the open, it broke the low here. So good trade, good trade. NQ either or here to be honest. But I lean more towards YM. Closure here, break out the low. I may take this setup here. I may take this setup here. I think this is the play. I think this is the play. We want that wick up though. Yeah, we don't want that just breaking like that. We want that wick up because look at what could happen here. See? There we go. See that? We don't want that. We want that wick up first. Now on the break of the lows, I'm in. On the break of the lows here, I'm in. Or should I just wait for actually? Should I just wait for the entire break here? This is a first 15 though. Should be alright. Should be alright. Some sort of volume should be coming in soon. Wow. Okay. Okay. There is some sort of volume. There is some volume we're looking at. Wow. Wow. Okay then. This is a little bit dramatic. Why? But we came back and tap into this range again, which is very good. Yeah, cells should be beautiful here. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, now we wait. Now we wait. Now we wait. Remember, bias is all the way up here, so let it do its thing. Still not interested in this here. Still not interested in this on NQ. Not interested one bit. Mm, 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 mm. I mean, we're moving here. We're moving, we're moving, we're moving. But not as we would like.
Not as we expected.
Yeah, we don't like this shit. Market on a pre-FOMC. Yep. Again, all this rejection and shit, like, I'm anticipating the sells here still. I'm anticipating the break of this low. I mean, if this closes bullish, then shit. Yeah, I may cancel this thing. But let's see. No, NQ just swept a high, right? So they should be considered something, right? To continue back into this selling area here. So we can remove this old level here. Let's remove this old level. Yeah, this one here. I mean, we could keep it. We could keep it. We could keep it. Although price is respecting this one right now. and this is the most important one. This is at 25,000. So okay, this is a nice closure here on why we close beneath the range. So yeah, a flip here, maybe. Uh, it's not a bad closure. It's not a bad closure if I'm being honest here. Let's take a peek at gold again. Let's take a peek at gold again. What is gold doing? Ooh, so it did went up. It did go up. It went up on the next candle. Now it's coming back down. Awesome break and retest. Yeah, gold is giving the setup, bro. Gold is actually doing it at this moment. The fake out. Gold is actually doing it at this moment.
Oh,
Yeah.
on a five?
Huh?
On a five?
Yeah. It's actually doing it. Yeah. Actually doing it. Yeah. It's actually giving the setup. Yeah. It's a big stop though. Yeah, this is one of those. Yeah, this is one of those. This is one of those setups that just sometimes you wonder. Huh? Sometimes you wonder about setups like these. Um, yeah, but it's actually a good setup though, because again, we're not looking to move to the upside. We're not looking to move to the upside at all. Um, yeah, I'm gonna cancel this pending order here. I'm gonna cancel this pending order here. Yep, there's a chance to get a proper entry on gold. It's pulling back, but yeah, this could be a good chance for a decent entry here on this sort of move. Yeah, there ain't anything else here, guys. There ain't anything else here. Ain't nothing, nothing, nothing. So we have this. Boop, boop, boop. Green. And then we have this entire thing here. Okay. Thank you. Is moving down. Yeah, I think yeah. I think this is it here today, guys. Nothing.
Yeah, it's it for me too.
Yeah.
I might wait until 10, that's all.
Yeah. There is nothing else here for me, man. There's nothing. Barcode shit happening right now. Barcode shit happening right now.
Yeah,
And there's a chance you could get something from NQ here, break up the low, like a break retest. But yeah, still too iffy, man. Still too iffy.
I wouldn't get in.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Just yeah. Yeah. Yep. Well, anyways, guys, no trade day today. No trade day today, man. No trade day today. Yeah, if I got a setup like this on YM, I would have preferred to take it on YM. YM is just too crazy right now. Like, yeah, we're breaking the low here, but mm, previous candle here broke the low already before, and it still went back up. So we're not sure if it's ready yet. We're not sure. Not sure until it break all these lows here, then maybe. But yeah, so maybe keep an eye on it. But I would say the later it goes, the worse it gets in terms of um trying to get a trade. So yeah. Well, anyways, guys, I'm out of here. See you guys tomorrow. It's been a boring session. See what? Sometimes you just gotta sit on your hands, yeah. Sometimes you just gotta sit on your hands. So, yep. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah, same time, 9:15 Eastern. Also 9:15 local time, Grenada time. Yeah. So, peace out.